Minty. Of course she saved the green one. Yes, yes, yes. My friend Minty sees the world through green-colored glasses. This is my official Ponyville Surprise birthday book. Minty is our green machine. She likes green bubble baths, cucumbers on her pizza, and all kinds of green candy. On her birthday, while we slept, she painted the castle green, of course.
Have you all seen the sun today? It's absolutely yellow.
Sunny Days loves to surf, ski, and play ball. On her birthday, she did more pony somersaults than any of us while drinking lemonade. Yes, 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 that's fun in the sun.
Vince, let's go play. Did I hear her say flower?
Not that kind of flower, Sweetberry. Ah, our sweet Sweetberry. Sweetberry's favorite thing is to make sweet treats. From flour, of course. Unfortunately, they aren't always yummy. Like the one and only time she let Minty help and they created a blueberry broccoli pie. You know Minty. It had to be green, of course. This complicates things a bit.
4 bracelets, that's all? I say Kimono needs a 5th bracelet.
Cotton Candy is our official storyteller, and she runs the cleverly named Cotton Candy Cafe. Our birthday present to her was easy. We just listened to her talk all day long. Sparkleworks is always amazing. A bit glitzy, but always amazing. On her birthday, she coated the entire town with glitter. Oh, it was beautiful, but what a mess. I'm still shaking glitter out of my hair.
Hello, my darlings.
Introducing the one, the only, Rainbow Dash. Yes, 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 Rainbow Dash does everything in a big, big, big way. On her birthday, she announced the arrival of a new rainbow. We all waited for it to appear, but instead she came to the party with a rainbow wrapped around her head like a ribbon. This is Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie knows a lot about a lot of things. Like on her birthday, we all got a lesson in how to properly blow up and tie off a balloon. A good tip, but since we already knew how, we pretended we didn't. This is Kimono, the wisest pony in the land. Kimono is the keeper of all precious pony legend and lore. She is, of course, very smart, and up until now, very hard to surprise.